Have you ever wanted to practice guitar anywhere without disturbing your family or neighbors? Today, we're reviewing the AeroBand Smart Guitar, a unique digital guitar featuring soft silicone strings, a detachable fretboard, built-in speakers, a headphone jack, drum accompaniment, MIDI support, and the interactive AeroBand learning app. But is this futuristic guitar actually worth buying? Let's find out. Unlike a traditional acoustic or electric guitar, the AeroBand Smart Guitar is designed for portability, silent practice, and interactive learning. Its compact travel-friendly design makes it ideal for beginners, students, travelers, apartment living, and musicians who want to practice anytime without carrying a full-size guitar. Thanks to its smart features, this guitar combines learning, entertainment, and digital music production into one lightweight instrument. One of the most unique features is the soft silicone strings. Instead of traditional steel strings, the silicone design makes finger practice much quieter while remaining comfortable for extended playing sessions. The detachable fretboard makes the guitar much easier to transport, fitting conveniently into backpacks or luggage. For learners, the AeroBand mobile app offers interactive lessons, guided practice, and real-time feedback to help improve technique and timing. This makes the learning experience much more engaging than simply following online videos. The AeroBand Smart Guitar also includes several features that traditional guitars don't. There's a built-in speaker for immediate playback, along with a headphone jack for completely silent practice whenever you need it. A built-in drum machine lets you practice rhythm with backing beats, making practice sessions feel much more like playing with a band. The guitar also supports MIDI, allowing you to connect it to compatible music software for recording, composing, and virtual instrument control. This gives creators additional flexibility beyond simple guitar practice. In everyday use, the AeroBand Smart Guitar is surprisingly fun and convenient. The lightweight construction makes it easy to carry almost anywhere. Silent practice with headphones works especially well for apartment living, late-night practice, or travel. The app keeps beginners motivated through structured lessons and instant feedback. While experienced guitarists may still prefer a traditional instrument for advanced techniques and authentic string feel, the AeroBand excels as a practice tool, learning platform, and portable travel guitar. For casual musicians and beginners, it offers a modern approach to learning guitar. So, is the AeroBand Smart Guitar worth buying? If you're looking for a portable, quiet, beginner-friendly smart guitar, it's one of the most innovative options currently available. The combination of silicone strings, detachable design, built-in speakers, headphone practice, drum accompaniment, interactive learning app, and MIDI compatibility creates a unique instrument that's ideal for learning and practicing almost anywhere. Although it doesn't completely replace a traditional acoustic or electric guitar, it offers outstanding convenience for beginners, travelers, and anyone wanting a quieter practice experience. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or current discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews of smart musical instruments, music gear, creative technology, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.